Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to make this gorgeous rolled velvet bloom. This ribbon flower has a more elegant and polished touch to it with its clean lines and curves. This flower is surprisingly easy to make and is perfect for making shoe clips and many more. For the materials, we would be needing the following: a 30 by 5 centimeter velvet ribbon. Now, a quick word regarding the material. Using a velvet ribbon is not really necessary. You can use other materials such as Eva foam, others call it foamerin, thick stretch fabric like jersey, and if you like a distressed look, you can use upholstery fabric or denim. Suede and leather are also great materials in making this flower. Okay, we are also going to use scissors, pins, and hot glue. So let's begin. Fold the velvet ribbon in half lengthwise and then secure it with pins. Others skip this step, but as you make the petals, you will notice that the ribbon would move a lot and it is difficult to have uniform sized petals if you don't secure it properly. Starting from the fold, cut straight fringes perpendicular to the length of the ribbon. For this flower, you cut 3 to 8 millimeter wide strips depending on your preference. Continue to cut fringes until you reach the end. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. That would really help me a lot. So going back, we're just going to finish making the fringes. Now we unfold the ribbon. I am pretty proud of this because I'm not an expert in cutting straight lines. Now we add a strip of glue along the length of the lower edge of the ribbon. And I spoke too soon. I forgot to leave a gap when gluing. Okay, let's start again with feelings. Apply a strip of glue and stick both sides together. We have to put a gap from the end of the ribbon when you start gluing them together. This step is very important, or otherwise we will not get the desired effect. Continue applying glue and sticking both edges together until you reach the end. Apply a bead of glue on the gap and you start rolling it. Now that we have made this starting roll, we now apply a strip of glue next to the rolled part of your ribbon and then keep on rolling it. We're just gonna repeat the process until we reach the end. Here's a tip to make it look professionally made. Make sure that while rolling, you keep the base of your ribbon flower as flat as possible so it is easier to securely mount it or embellish it on your projects. As you can see, the flower is coming together beautifully. When you finish rolling the petals, check if it looks symmetrical enough. Mine doesn't. Like there's this petal sticking out at the end and it looks kind of weird. So what I did was I put a dab of glue on the middle side of the petal and then stick it on the base. Careful. Careful. Eesh. That hurts. Now it looks more symmetrical. So that's it. You can now use this to embellish your shoes and other fun stuff. So I'm also going to show you a variation of this technique. So to make the flower on your right, you just need to glue both edges of the ribbon on top of each other. So basically you don't need to put a gap when you glue both sides together. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you will be updated with my flower adventures. Also, please comment down below and let me know if you're going to use this ribbon flower as shoe clips or a hair bow. Bye!